Stabilitrak is General Motors' electronic stability control system, designed to enhance vehicle safety by preventing loss of control during challenging driving conditions. The system continuously monitors vehicle stability through multiple sensors, including wheel speed sensors, steering angle sensors, yaw rate sensors, and lateral acceleration sensors. When the system detects potential loss of control, it automatically applies individual wheel brakes and reduces engine power to help maintain vehicle stability and prevent accidents. Understanding the warning lights is crucial. A solid Stabilitrak light indicates a system malfunction requiring attention, while a flashing light means the system is actively working to maintain control. Stabilitrak issues affect approximately 8 to 12% of GM vehicles annually, with higher rates in vehicles over 100,000 miles, particularly in model years 2010 through 2018. The most common causes of Stabilitrak issues include faulty wheel speed sensors, steering angle sensor problems, wiring connection issues, electronic brake control module failure, and low battery voltage. Understanding these fundamentals of the Stabilitrak system helps diagnose issues more effectively and ensures proper vehicle safety maintenance. There are three main methods to reset your Stabilitrak system. The first is a basic reset that works in most cases. Start by turning your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then turn your steering wheel fully to the left, then fully to the right. Turn off the ignition, wait 15 seconds, then restart and drive slowly to allow the system to recalibrate. The second method involves disconnecting your battery to reset the system's memory. This clears all stored error codes but has a lower success rate. Make sure your battery voltage is at least 12.6 volts when the engine is off. Low voltage can cause Stabilitrak issues. The most reliable method uses a professional OBD2 scanner with GM-specific capabilities. This allows you to clear specific error codes and recalibrate the steering angle sensor. If the reset methods don't work, check your wheel speed sensors. These cause 35% of Stabilitrak issues. Look for damage, corrosion, or debris buildup around the sensors. Regular maintenance prevents most Stabilitrak issues. Keep sensors clean, maintain proper battery voltage, and ensure your vehicle software stays updated. Remember that success rates vary by vehicle age. Newer vehicles respond better to basic resets, while older vehicles often need component replacement.